Just imagine how your life would be if you knew the exact steps you need to take to eliminate bedtime battles with your toddler or older child and prevent night wake-ups without letting your children cry it out. I know that maybe your relatives and friends told you just let them cry, let them self-soothe. And you might feel that that's not the right thing to do. If it doesn't feel right, it must not be right. Right now, this may seem like an impossible thing for you because no matter how hard you try to make your child to stay in bed or to stop crying or to wake up multiple times, nothing has worked out yet. But I want to tell you that it is possible. There is something that you don't know yet. My name is Marcela Collier. I'm a parenting coach and I'm coming together with Paula Morales. She's a sleep consultant and well-being specialist from New Paradigm Motherhood. We are going to go on a workshop to show you the exact steps that our clients took to go from sleep-deprived mamas to eliminating bedtime battles with their kids and preventing multiple night wake-ups, even if their children were still breastfed, without letting them cry it out. In this online workshop, we will show you, one, how to address bedtime battles from the root, so you nip it in the bud before they turn into tantrums. Having a consistent bedtime routine is not enough to eliminate bedtime battles. Number two, we will show you how to develop independent sleep skills in your child so he doesn't wake you up multiple times in the night. It is not that your child is a horrible sleeper. It is not that he's doing it for attention. It is not that he doesn't know how to self-soothe. What happens is that he is dependent to you to go to sleep. So in this workshop, we will give you the guidance, the roadmap to develop independent sleep skills so your child stays in bed throughout the night and have a restful night of sleep. Number three, I will show you the 3 skills you need to reduce the frequency of nighttime tantrums. Most good-willing parents are stuck when it comes to their children's tantrums because they do everything they know to stop the tantrum without knowing that that very same thing is going to feed the tantrum. Once you learn those 3 skills, you will know how to reduce the frequency of tantrums without feeding them, without getting them worse. You have lifetime access to members area once you register for this workshop. And over there, you'll find it alongside 2 more classes. Right now, there are 2 more classes waiting for you that are going to help you get a better night of sleep. And let's see what they are. Class number 1, the truth about co-sleeping and successful transition to on bed. If you fear that if you don't get your child out of your bed right now, he would never want to do it, in this class you will learn what the right timing is, 1, and 2, when you're ready to do that transition, how to do that transition as smooth as possible. Class number 2, your breastfed toddler can't sleep all night. I have good news for you. You don't have to wean your toddler up for him to sleep all night. In this class, I will show you how to move away from nighttime feeds to only daytime feeds so you don't have to wean your child off in order for him to get a good night of sleep. Paula and I charge almost $300 to do 1-hour coaching session with parents. But for you to get all your questions answered, to be in a coaching session with us and start getting a good night of sleep. So if you're ready, there is a button above this video. Go click there, fill out your information and register for this workshop and start getting a good night of sleep. Be prepared to be with us for 2 hours. I promise you they are going to be the well-spent 2 hours of your day because you are going to see it reflected on the smooth bedtime and a good night of sleep. In those 2 hours, we're going to be teaching you the 3 steps to eliminate bedtime battles and to prevent night wake-ups. Then I'm going to be introducing you the Parenting with Understanding program, and you will have access, exclusive access with a big discount to this program for you to start responding to any behavior according to your child's needs. And the last part of the workshop is going to be a Q&A session with Paula and I. If you have more questions, there is a frequently asked questions section below this video. You can go through the questions and answers there. Or you can contact a member of my team on the bottom right corner on my website. There is a place where you can chat with one member of my team. Are you ready for a smooth bedtime? Click the button, register, and keep parenting your children with understanding.